Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a healthy Mexican style black bean tortilla pizza recipe, crispy, flavorful, protein packed and super easy to make at home. Let's start. In a pan over a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is warm, add 1 cup of black beans mashed. I am using ready-made canned black beans. Now season it with a taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of a garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of a salt. Mix everything really well so the beans absorb all the flavors. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's warm and creamy. Once that is done, turn off the heat, set aside, add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. This adds creaminess and balance the spices beautifully. Mix well and set this aside. Now let's quickly season the beans mixture with more for that smoky Mexican flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of a paprika, 1 teaspoon of a chipotle pepper powder and a lemon juice, half lemon juice. Mix gently and keep this black bean mixture aside. Next, we'll make the Mexican pizza sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of a Greek yogurt, now 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a paprika, 1 teaspoon of a taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of a salt, 1 teaspoon of a oregano and 1 teaspoon of a hot sauce. Mix everything really well until smooth and creamy. This sauce is tangy, smoky and absolutely delicious. Now let's assemble the pizza. Take a baking pan and lightly grease it with the olive oil. Place 1 tortilla on the pan and brush a little olive oil on top of the tortilla. Now place the second tortilla on top, pressing them together gently. This creates a sturdy, crispy base. Spread the black bean mixture, spreading it out nicely. Cover the whole tortilla. After the black bean mixture is done spreading, time to add a layer of Mexican spicy sauce evenly over the tortilla. Now it's time to put vegetables. Add spinach, mushrooms, onions, bell pepper, tomatoes. Use as much or as little as you like. Now sprinkle your favorite cheese evenly on top. I am using pepper jack cheese on top, finished with a pinch of chili flakes and oregano for that extra flavor. Now it's time to bake in a preheat oven at 475 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes until the tortilla is crispy and the cheese is perfectly melted. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool slightly. To serve, place the pizza over a bed of a fresh lettuce. Top it off with a fresh cilantro, guacamole on top and a salsa drizzle. You can use any drizzle of your favorite sauce, and that's it. Your healthy Mexican black bean tortilla pizza is ready. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and full of bold flavors. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Let me know in the comment section if you would like more healthy, colorful, high protein recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching and your time. I will see you in the next recipe video. See you until. Bye bye.